All right, I'm going to try and do a couple of quick videos just to see if by following me if we can get this done very simply. All right, so you go to Unity Hub, open that up, and you need to install, well, let's see, if you just go to Install Editor, then you want an LTS. So 2021.3.13, that's fine, install that. But when you install it, let's see, it won't let me do that. Okay, so when you install it, you need to also click Add Modules. So make sure you click Android Build Support, OpenJDK, and Android SDK, NDK Tools. Those need to be checked so that you get those along with it. So you can see on mine, I've got Android and Windows. Okay, so that's how you install. Next, I want to start a project. So first thing, install. Next, go to projects. I'm going to start a new project. And I want to use 3D Core. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to come down here and save it. Let's call this Space Adventure. I would suggest that you don't leave spaces. It can cause problems sometimes. It'll accept it, but sometimes it causes a problem in the hierarchy where you're saving it. So leave no spaces. Okay, 3D Core. Give it a project name, create project.